right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's been a while.
Another one from the past, dude.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, now we all know what age we are.
Yeah.
You can make the right jokes.
Oh, there's a fish. Came right for it. Finally.
Man.
That was a decent fish. I mean, it wasn't big, but it was a decent fish.
You got the right idea.
No, it chased it all the way down. There it is. There it is.
All right.
Got a fish.
Nice.
It came back up for it. Oh.
All
Oh.
right.
Woo.
Let me get this clipped off here off the jet, and then we'll make the fish, brother. There you are, sir.
Appreciate it.
Oh, it's got,
Oh, he's got some spot.
yeah.
We're getting trout. Yeah, baby. What's up, girlfriend? Where'd you go fishing? On the boat now, ain't you? Go ahead and just reel him on in. Oh,
I'm at the top.
yeah. Never mind. We'll just
Oh,
come down.
I'll bring him out. Yep.
All right, bring him up to me.
He's coming. No, he's not coming up.
Oh, all right, you get pain in the butt, ain't you?
I mean, he feels pretty solidly hooked. I'm gonna just
Yeah,
grab.
no, he's got some.
Oh.
We're in that fast water too, which is playing us a little bit. Oh, almost. Where you at, fishy?
I'll let him down a little bit.
Swing on down here and then swing him that way if you can, and I'll try to scoop him from behind.
Or try to lift him up. Oh, came off.
Oh, he did?
Ah.
Sorry.
That's all right.
See that hook?
That was exciting. Yeah, you can see him chase it. He had to chase it pretty fast downstream.
Oh, dude, I'll take it all day long. Take it all day long. All day long. Just a little fella. We'll take it.
Alrighty. Look at that, fish the boat.
Fish in the boat, baby. All right. Probably so you just want to.
I'll take a little picture.
Okay, that works. No, you get one.
Do one picture. Look at that. Fish. They exist. Oh, this one's got a barb. Okay.